In this video, I'm going to show you this really awesome and really easy trick that can help to improve the production quality of your video. And all you need is your phone. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm going to show you this really awesome trick that you can do when you're filming a video. Now, the effect that I'm talking about in this video is this really awesome but really basic lens flare on your footage. So when you're filming your video, you want to grab your camera, you want to start rolling, and then you want to grab your phone. Now, you want to turn the flashlight on your phone, and as you're rolling the camera, you want to point the flashlight into the lens to generate a lens flare. Now, when you're doing this effect, it's super important that you don't creep out in front of the lens too far because your phone is going to be in shot and that's going to completely ruin your shot. So it's really important to keep your phone at the side and very gently shine into the lens. Now, you can keep this static and move the camera, or you can move the flashlight around the lens to give you a nice traveling lens flare. It's completely up to you, but it's a really awesome and really simple trick that can help to add a lot of production to your videos. Now, it's also really important to note that when you're doing this, because you're shining light into the lens, that light will pick up any fine dust or scratches on your lens, and this will be seen in the shot. So it's super important that your lenses are clean, they're not scratched, they're not dusty, they're not dirty. Make sure they're completely cleaned before you start shining the light into the lens. And there you go, it's a really simple and a really easy trick, but it can help to add character and it can also improve the production quality of your video. So the next time you're filming a video, grab your camera, grab your phone, turn the flashlight on, start pointing that flashlight into the camera lens and create some really awesome cinematic lens flares and light leaks in your footage. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.